Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 headphones and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application in your Android phone. So, at first you need to open the Play Store in your phone. Here, open search. In the search bar you need to search for Smart Control Plus. Sennheiser Smart Control Plus is the application we search for. So as you can see here, we've got our application. You're going to just hit install button. And of course, before pairing your headphones with the application, I actually recommend to pair your headphones with your phone. It's really useful to have it. Now we've got our application installed. Let's hit open. And now get started. Here we can tap no thanks to join improvement program, we can skip account creation, here we can continue, and we need to allow for this permission, which is determining the position of nearby devices and accessing them. And here we can skip the tutorial. And as you can see here, we've got our headphones menu. That's it. Goodbye.